Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will be discussing about HTML SVG tags. These tags are very important and yes, very interesting tags. By using SVG tags, we can create so many graphics, we can create so many shapes, we can change their width, we can change their height, and this tag is very easy to use. So all these things we'll discuss in detail in this video. So before moving to the main content, students, if you forgot to watch previous 27 lectures, you can check the description box. I have already added the link there. So let's move to the introduction part first. So as you can see here, the HTML SVG is an acronym which stands for Scalable Vector Graphics. As I have told you, by using this SVG tag, we can create so many graphics. This tag is very interesting. HTML SVG is a modularized language which is used to describe graphics in XML, and it describes two-dimension vector and mixed vector raster graphics in XML, and it is a W3C recommendation. So SVG images and their behaviors are defined in XML text files. So as XML files, you can create and edit an SVG image with text editor. So let's move to the practical section. So here you can see the circle example. We have created this circle by using SVG tag, right? So you can see here SVG width is equals to 100. Its width is 100 and its height is also 100. Then circle CX 50 means what? On x-axis, its size is 50. On y-axis, its size is 50 and its radius is 40. Stroke means outer line. Outer line's color here I have added yellow. And stroke width is 4 pixels. You can change it according to your need. And fill means internal color of this particular circle is what? Red. So now we need to close the SVG. After that a circle design, you can check here. We have created rectangle and we have created polygon. So you can create anything by using just simple steps. Okay. So let's move to the practical section first. So as you can see here, I have already written basic HTML structure. Now let's move to the main content where we will discuss about SVG tag. So what we need to do here is, first let me just add SVG tags, right? Then under this body section, start SVG tag. Then width is equals to, let's say 100, and height is equals to, let's say 100. Remember one point, then whenever you are going to create any circle, width and height should be same. Okay, width and height should be same. After this statement, what we need to write is, we need to start the circle, because we are going to create a circle here. Then on x-axis, let's say 50. Then y-axis, let's say 50 again. And then r here means what? R here means radius. Radius of this particular is 40 pixels. Then stroke is blue. You can write any color here. Then stroke width is equals to, let's say 3. And what color we want for the circle is, color is equals to, let's say yellow. Okay, then we need to close it like this. Okay, so after that, just close the SVG tag separately. Okay, so save this svg.html. So svg.html. Here we have svg.html. So you can see this is how SVG tags actually work on any web browser. Okay, if you want to increase the size of this particular circle, you can increase it to 500. Sorry, it to 500 and height be 500. So refresh. Okay, sorry, here we need to write 250, cy also 250, and radius let's say 80. Save and refresh. Okay, so on x-axis 50. Okay, on x-axis the difference here is 50, on y-axis difference here is 50. Let's say on x-axis 500, so that you can see the difference. 500. This is how you can create a circle. Okay, let's say 250. This is how it works. Okay, then let me just increase the width of this circle, and then we can change the height also. So refresh. This is how you can create a circle by using SVG tag. Similarly, if you want to create a rectangle, you can create this by using the same tags, same syntax. Okay, now let me just change the color. Let me just change the color of this particular section. Let's say stroke is red, width of stroke is 8. Save and refresh. So you can see width of the stroke is 8 and color is red now. So I hope everything is clear for you, and if you want to create a polygon, you can check this particular example. Remember one point: in case of polygon, if you use the same points only, then you will be able to run the program. Otherwise it will not look like a polygon. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you get every point. So thanks for watching.